Hello and welcome to season 3 of Ready, Set, Adventure. We're on the road right now. We're heading down to Oregon, heading over to the Oregon coast. It's gonna take us a couple days to get there, but we're gonna stopping about halfway, stay in a hotel. Right now we're in Sprague, Washington. There's a nice lake down there. Hanging out here at a rest area, making a quick stop. We're about two and a half hours into our journey so far, so yeah, we're taking it slow, but starting the season off early here in April, so should be pretty good. We dropped the dogs off at the boarding place, so they're all taken care of and everything. They'll be there for about a week. Can't wait to get them back already. So I'm traveling with my niece and Chaussee. So everybody else, Mrs. Willey and everybody else, her whole family's going. So everybody else, they're already on their way there. I had to work today, so we're leaving a little late. But yeah, Oregon coast opening up season 3. So let's go. Even though it's windy, you can still stop and check out some of the sights. This here is a couple old buildings. Not really too sure what they were doing, but I mean, they were right here on the river. Don't know how much longer they'll be standing. They're kind of tilting already. They've seen some things and they've experienced some wind out here at the Dalles, that's for sure. So according to the sign here, it's a church and a couple other buildings. So it also said watch out for rattlesnakes. I don't think they're out quite this early in the morning. Sun's barely coming up over there. But yeah, really nice. Come out here and check these out. All right, we made it to Multnomah Falls. I don't know exactly how to precisely say it, but right here next to the highway, so a little loud, but let's go check it out. All right, we're at the Tillamook cheese factory here in Tillamook, Oregon. You can check out the cheeses behind us there, hanging from the lights. Let's take a look at how they make the cheese and all that stuff, and we may end up buying some while we're here. So we'll take a little look-see. All right, we made it to the ocean. This is the first place where you'll be able to see it at. Not too bad. Now we get to take the lovely 101 all the way down south. We're gonna head for like the Newport, Oregon area, so. Smells wonderful, smells like an ocean, that's for sure.